Sheesh. Aquí ando con el pa. So if you saw the title of this video, you know what the fuck going on. Y Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
A mi baby girl, mira, ya abrió un chingo de regalos. Yeah, so pretty much we're gonna be gay from now on. Oh.
Yep.
Yeah, what?
Bags.
Worth it or what?
Bags of supplies. Yes, sir. See that bumper has all fucked up.
Yes, I'm being static. Oh yeah, look.
Static light.
And I wanna be like that guy over there. What's it made up by? Ahí está. And fuck this gap. Finally. I fuck with the rears, but yeah. So this is my boy Brian. You guys seen him before, Royalty Raps. Hooking it up with the free install. Nomás que le voy a dar una mamadota after. So yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys updated and shit. Pretty much, right now we're gonna run the what?
The wiring. We're gonna run the harness. Make sure all the fucking the compressor works. The fucking tank doesn't leak.
Something neat, algo chingón. Nomás a lo pendejo ahí. And then we'll see if we have time to throw in the bags and shit. So pretty much I ended up going with bag riders. I don't know, same shit. It was cheaper. It was cheaper than the airlift shit itself. So it's a 3P.
It's 3P. It's airlift, pendejo.
What?
It's airlift.
I mean, but not the website though. Down más caro, wey. Yeah.
Connect them. We could have used these, but if he ever tries to unplug it, he's gonna have to cut it. And with these, you can fucking watch.
Plug and unplug. Basically.
But it's like
what are they called?
Plug and play, electrical connectors.
Yeah. So if you don't have to splice them
every time.
Yeah. But yeah, pretty much we're just gonna do the wiring. So basically, take all this shit off, and this one right here, it's pretty easy. It just taps, and I already have a system, whatever. So basically the same thing. You just fit them through here. This is the part you wanna. I think you could pop this off, or you could just cut a hole through it. Whatever works for you. And I'm just waiting on this spot because he's putting all this shit together. Y yo nomás estoy aquí viendo.
That one shit?
Yeah. So just like that. So this goes right here. Easy. Peasy. Right there. And all that shit you're just gonna run to the back. Right here, como miran. Es fácil, pa. And from there, pa donde? All the way through.
From here, it's just gonna go behind right here.
From the door, you're gonna run it all the way through right here. So there's a plastic panel that covers that. And then right here goes down. And then you put it right here. Yeah, a la verga. ¿Más? Ahí mero.
You can put more, pull it.
So yeah. Right here. Here. Aquí mero. This is gonna go all right here under. And ¿cuál ocupas para front? Just these two?
Yeah, so this one's gonna connect to your USB, and it goes to the controller, and then this one's for the ignition, so your controls and shit can start once you turn the key.
Pretty simple. Just all that, and relay for the management, and I guess this is for the 3HK whatever. So we ended up running the wire for the controller through the ashtray, because I'm pretty sure no one has a fucking ashtray. You can run it through there. And this one, which is the one for the fuse, the ignition wire, all through there. This foot didn't have to fucking take off the panels or anything, just slightly pop them. And I have my paisa shit right here. So I run the wire también through here. Some shit through your fuse box. And yeah. Ahí va la cosa. Ya valió verga, le faltaron partes al kit. So I don't know if they didn't send them or just we were doing it different or he's doing it different, but what do you need?
So this
We
shit,
get-
this is the water trap. It has to connect to the tank, but all the fucking fittings they're sending us don't even.
So basically,
They don't have it entrada, so
the dos, right?
I want something like this, but we
So
just
we
need
just-
something to connect from here to here.
And we don't have that.
That way we can
Yeah.
fucking bolt it up and
So we're gonna go
go to Ace real quick.
steal it from Ace. Oh shit. I mean, buy it. We're gonna go buy it. Alright, so after getting the fucking thing from Ace and all that bullshit, basically you tap into, not tap in, but
Yeah.
you use one of these. ¿Cómo se llama?
It's an add a fuse.
That it didn't come with it. I don't know why. Pagué un chingo y no me dieron putada. So pretty much you're looking at it like this. So you get this one right here. And turn it on. That should turn on the controller y el compressor. Oye, rapa, no prendí hace rato. And that's that.
It's alive.
So pretty much after that, everything's good, huh?
Now I just gotta slap on the bags and we're done.
So we're gonna do that mañana or next week or something, cause what day is it today, wey?
Oh fuck. Mañana's Halloween.
Okay, Halloween.
Halloween.
So where the party's at?
Where the party's at?
Yeah, it's pretty much,
Hit us up. Kim, where you at?
that's that. That's your fuse thing. That's that. This shit's a mess right now. I was planning on putting my tank right here, but it's too big. So I had to put it outside. Now I'll think about that shit later. Y arriba, Riverside. And that's all tucked in. Or your battery.
Same shit. Has a 30 amp fuse so it won't blow. Tap it into your that shit and then just ground to ground.
And that's it. And my hatch don't work, so you could use this shit. Cause you don't want to put a palo on that shit could fall on your head. But yeah, so pretty much that's it for the wiring part. Shit.
They didn't fucking send the fitting for us to connect it, so we had to go get one. But since this shit doesn't sit flush, we had to put some washers para que apretara bien.
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse, but that's
So
the
yeah.
job.
And I guess this shit has to be facing down.
This shit has to be facing down. Fucking the drain fucking hose. On the fucking water, cause you know, RIP your management.
Yeah, pretty much the compressor goes right there.
It's gonna
And then
sit like that.
like that. Clean. And then pretty much all your lines.
It's gotta organize.
Just a ver cómo le hago. So basically that's all. Pretty simple if you know your shit. Like this guy knows his shit. Hit him
Like
up.
the 20th time I put them back.
If you need anything,
Like
right here, right here, right here. Un perro también.
Day 2.
So I had a reason to go back. I have this little ramp right here, but every time I miss, I scrape hella crazy right here and over there. And it's more usually when I come back in, when I leave. So yeah. You guys miss the boy Maluma or what?
y'all have that one homie that's gay.
So we just ended up running all the wires. What we're gonna do today, bro?
Fuck bitches.
Cut that out. Cut that out. Yeah, that's pretty much.
Pop out the struts. Put the airlines and slam that bitch.
Sounds easy. Is it? Ay, lo bueno que este güey lo va a hacer. So what you doing right now, my boy?
It's gonna fucking. It's just a shot. So we can fucking go lower.
Slam that hole.
Slam that hole. Every time I measure to the low, I'm gonna drop it 2 inches lower.
Sheesh.
Cause these are easy to adjust with.
Alright.
Hammer.
Ahí lo traes colgando. Pretty much this is the rear suspension thing. Thingy majing. That was cool. A ver, jala esa, vera. La back. Pull it. Algo.
Something like.
Aquí traemos al compa. Vamos a empezar a grabar y se puso a trabajar. No sabe qué está haciendo, pero.
Este güey.
Quick.
10 minutes. Your socks are out.
Pretty much you have to match him, but you wanna
Nah,
go
you
lower?
don't have to match them.
No?
Nah, I mean,
Max it out.
I mean, match it and
no,
go
I'm not
lower.
gonna max it out. That's what people don't fucking get. Wait, they max it out just so they can go low. Well,
I do that, bitch.
But then you max it out and you have to ride on high as PSI. That's why you adjust it way. That way you don't have to ride on fucking high as PSI.
Learn.
You gotta learn, motherfucker. All you fucking dumbasses that max out your shit and driving 200 PSI. Those fucking bags are gonna go.
Ya vas a empezar a pegar, cabrón. Sí, el pendejo.
So pretty much the shock is like replacing it.
There's a shock
With
instead
the
of
original
stock one. It's like a coilover. Instead of the spring, you have the bag though. So you can still adjust this. If you want to go lower, if you want to stay higher. Just depends on the fucking fitment you want.
That was like 10 minutes. El que sabe, huh? So you had to make a drill at the top. And
This is hot as fuck.
another one right there. And this shit, what's this shit called?
The spring bucket.
Yeah, so
One in the middle para que agarre la bag y una arriba para que agarre.
basically, it's right there. And you put the bracket on the bottom of shit. You know what the fuck going on. ¿Puro qué, güey?
I'm out already, güey.
Valió verga. A ver, aquí ya andamos al
Fuck
final.
HT, homie.
Y ya, el compa Limón es una riata bien parada.
Struts already installed. Everything back in place. Now running the airlines.
No drilling needed. So pretty much you run that one here, and it's gonna come out right here. Same thing, you fit it through that one. And the other side, you run it all the way through.
It's gonna come out like the brakes and then
So, through inside. No drilling. Es una verga bien parada. Same thing on the other side. Same thing. Goes up. Comes out right here. Look at here. And then you just run it pretty much like the wiring all the way back. And then I'll show you the back right now.
you just gotta loosen this shit. And if you look at it from the inside, what's showing? There's a little vent right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a vent right here you can feed the line through.
Okay.
Right now we're just gonna clamp it on. We're just gonna give it a little bit of room to have play so it won't be fucking stiff as fuck so when it airs out and shit, but
That's the reader.
it's gonna be like that. Está suelto este güey. Mira,
Fucking limonazo, bro.
apretan a la verga. No, mira.
I didn't do that
Míralo,
stuff, bro.
Míralo,
I didn't do that
míralo.
stuff, bro.
Está sentado el güey.
I didn't do that
Break.
stuff, bro. Alright, explain it to us, güey.
Gonna let it fill up with air and then send air to the bags and drop it down and air it out.
It's all done, guys.
No, si puede. Oh, that's clean, wait. That's at 60 psi, 50 in the back. It's like mine. Ooh, wait up. Perfect.
Wait
That's
up.
perfect fucking fit. The front's perfect, wait. Mira. Mira. Dude. Perfect.
Back.
The back was
Right now. End the rolling right now, quick.
fix this fucking like that, we just have to raise the shock in the back. Do that?
No, man.
That's perfect. We can just raise the shock with it so it can sit like right on the lip too, and you don't even need space or anything.
Como quieras, check.
The feeling though.
Shout out to homie Brian. Sit. Mira.
I like the wing though.
Yo no sé si es que me va a dar también. Oh, fuck. Shout out to homie.
Encantado.
Alright, so we're done. Probably show another videos and shit later on. But my boy, this is Wade, by the way. Ya somos jotillos los dos. But look at this. This is steel. I need some if anyone has some. This is clean though. Cause vendió los otros el cut.
I didn't like it.
So yeah, pretty much just gonna throw some seats on. Probably get some shots later on. Porque es Halloween. Look at this wing though.
Hey, this bitch kinda heat.